Hi and welcome to Cheeky Richo Cooking's chicken and vegetable soup cooked in the Tefal Cook4Me. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. You can add or take away anything that you do or you don't like. Really easy to do, very nutritious and very fast. Perfect if you've got someone who's a bit under the weather, perhaps with a cold or a flu. Lots of nice vegetables and they're all really good for you. The first thing that we're going to do, we've got the Tefal Cook4Me on the browning function. We've just got some chicken legs here. Leave them on the bone. They'll be a lot easier to remove from the bone once it's cooked. And we're just going to pop those into our Tefal Cook4Me with a little bit of oil. There is a bit of fat underneath the skin, but this will just aid with the browning of them. And don't forget, brown is flavour. Okay, a little dash of some olive oil in there. You could use butter, anything you like. Pop that in. You can hear it sissing at the moment. Leave the skin on there. Again, lots of flavour in that skin. It'll go really sticky and gelatinous in our dish. And we just turn that from time to time for the next 10 minutes or so while we prepare our vegetables. Okay, we've got our celery here and we're just going to roughly chop it just in a slice. I've just washed it. I'm throwing the leaves in as well. Plenty of nutrients and flavour there. Just cut it up roughly. This is going to be a very rustic soup and I'm in a screaming hurry, and that's why we're using the Cook4Me, because it'll make this job so much faster. We're going to be adding some fresh herbs from our garden, which I haven't even picked yet, and they're going in last thing, so just get those to one side. We want a little bit of colour and freshness with our fresh herbs, being our parsley and whatnot. Okay, we have now a zucchini or courgette. Now this is going to be a complete meal in one pot. Onion now. Again, keep it all lovely and farmhouse chunky. We're going to put whole cloves of garlic in. I'm just going to squash them and they're going to break right down and add to the sweetness of this dish. You could add chilli to this if you like too. It would be a nice little zing. Plenty of vitamins in that. Mushrooms, Swedes, turnips, pumpkin, anything you like really. We're just going with a couple of really simple basic vegetables, and they're all going in together. That's the beauty of this dish. One pot all at once. Just while that meat's browning, we're getting our veggies ready. Even time economical. See what we can out of these guys. Right, just cut the little ends off there. As many or as few as you like. If you're not a real garlic person, give that a bit of a miss. But if you're making this because someone doesn't feel very good, you're going to get lots of flavour and nutrition out of these. Just throw them in like that. They'll syrup right down. Pull the peelings off it. Anyway, it's good enough for an avocado. It's good enough for garlic. Okay, prep done. What'd that take? 4 minutes. Let's turn the chicken over now. We have some freshly cracked pepper in there now. And turn these guys over, and you'll see that already started to brown. Turn over. They're by no means cooked. Okay, all turned over in with our vegetables all at once. Now we're just going to put a bit of veggie salt in there. Okay, we're just going to sprinkle our vegetable salt over the top, and then we're just going to pour our chicken stock over the top of that. And that'll dissolve the salt on the way through. Take it down to the bottom, okay, over the top. Turn it off. We finish browning and we go back to the quick cook function and cook it for 15 minutes. And that'll be all perfectly cooked. We'll add our herbs at the last minute and it'll be ready to serve. Okay. Close the lid and set it for 15 minutes, immediate start. See you in a quarter of an hour. Okay, 15 minutes later, our chicken soup is cooked. We'll just give it a stir. All those, you can see the chicken is actually falling off the bone. You can pull those bones out if you like, or just leave them there. This is good to freeze at this stage if you wanted to, and it's a nice, light, low carb, healthy soup with lots of flavour in it. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheeky Richo Cooking's chicken and vegetable soup cooked in 15 minutes in the Tefal Cook4Me. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheeky Richo channel, and don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos. And look how lovely and healthy it is. It's not rich, it's really light. So if you're a little bit under the weather, it's perfect. We're just going to throw some fresh herbs in there and it's ready to serve. Okay, if you wanted to at this point in time, you could add some sliced or diced fresh tomato. That would give it a lovely flavour as well, with a little bit of added freshness. But as you can see, all the vegetables have retained mostly their shape. See the carrots and everything? They're all perfectly cooked and they haven't been cooked into oblivion. All of the nutrients have been retained in there. We're just going to send in our herbs. Add this with some crusty bread rolls, some Turkish bread if you like, perhaps some croutons on top. And look at that. Super healthy. Throw some noodles in if you want to. It doesn't really matter. That is ready to eat. Low carb, delicious comfort food. Thanks for watching. Cheeky Richo Cooking's chicken and vegetable soup, loaded with chicken and vegetables. Look what we've got here. Carrots and capsicum and onion, fresh herbs, and of course, lovely, moist, sticky, fresh chicken. Have a taste, shall we? It's very hot. Yummo. Thanks for watching.